Hello, welcome to the video. Today we are going to talk about the watch that I bought my wife, and it's sort of an unboxing video. So here it is, and this watch, it is one that's helped my relationship massively with the AD, because as you can see, I purchased a Datejust 31mm bimetal, so yellow gold stainless steel with mother of pearl and diamond hour markers. My wife, she loves yellow gold. Let's take it out of the box, show you. She loves yellow gold and she loves diamonds, and I thought the mother of pearl dial really made it look nice. I didn't go for diamonds on the bezel because I really love the fluted bezel, and also once you put diamonds on the bezel then the cost of the watch goes up drastically. So this watch cost $12,350. That's the price it is at the moment. If you were to get this watch without the mother of pearl, it would be 12,000. So actually only £350 difference with the mother of pearl dial. But if you were to get it without the mother of pearl and without the diamonds, then it is £10,300. So it is an absolutely stunning watch and she loves it. Doesn't necessarily wear it as a daily, but more when occasion allows and she's somewhere safe. Obviously here in Dubai, I'm in Dubai right now, you know, there's a lot more opportunity to wear it, so that's really great. If you just take a look at the view, that is the view that I've got from here, so we're incredibly lucky, and I love the view. At night time it's even better. This isn't the first Rolex I bought her. I did buy her another Rolex. I bought her a pink dial 34mm Datejust on an Oyster bracelet, not on a Jubilee. And you know, it's crazy, I put this into Chrono 24 and I couldn't even find the watch on Chrono 24. I'm not sure, you know, just because there's so many variations with the Datejusts, and I think this one maybe had a relatively short run, so I couldn't even find it on there. We sold that watch just because watches is my passion. She's not that into watches, and I thought it's a bit of a waste her having two Rolexes when she's not really into them as much as one would need to justify having two. So she preferred this one, so we got rid of the other one. If a watch not loved is better with someone else. I thought I'd also show you two pieces of jewellery that I've bought for her from the AD. And the reason why I mention this is because it's these types of things that help the relationship, that you just got to play the game if you want to get the hot pieces. So I got offered a Daytona, and it's because of buying these types of pieces that you, I guess, are able to do that. The market's changed a bit. It's not as difficult as it used to be to get some of the more desirable pieces, so you probably don't have to buy as much of this stuff to get them to consider you for the hot pieces. But she really loves these bracelets. This one was about 4,000, this one was about 2,000. So yeah, can't remember the exact price. This was definitely close to 4,000, and this one I'm pretty sure was 2. But you know, you're paying top dollar for the jewelry, but you know, if you're really enthusiastic about your watches and want to get the new releases from the AD, then it's just the pain you have to go through. So I'll put those pieces down there. As you can see, this is a stunning piece and it fits my wife's wrist extremely well. I've seen quite a few mother of pearl watches, and this one just has particularly really nice mother of pearl, and it has some really nice colours in it. I've seen other mother of pearl Rolexes where the pearl just didn't seem as vibrant. Yeah, great watch. Hopefully we'll never have to sell it, and she can enjoy it forever. Yeah, so hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to do another competition for a Omega swatch. So if you'd like to win an Omega swatch, everyone who writes a comment is eligible to potentially win the Omega swatch. Mission to the Moon, Omegas. So go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. Trying to grow the channel just to share the hobby, and it is fun when you make a video and lots of people like it and subscribe. But yeah, okay, thank you very much guys, all the best, and I'll see you in the next one.